This is the last leg in Kuma's inner journey. On the path to surrendering his demons, Kuma must climb the great vault of Mount Shumi, a place where all the failures and pain come to say one last goodbye.
It's this way, Gino. Come this way.
Each of the granite slabs has the power to reflect the true nature of a man's soul. We brothers didn't really understand it, but for sure, at the top is the throne room. And he who lays claim to the throne claims the path of the headbands. Undoubtedly, that path would also lead to Afro, the sole thing that kept him alive.
Otsuru!
We are all of us orphans. You're not the only one who has suffered. Sasuke is our brother.
The number one will show no compassion.
And you would take after the man who killed your father? Afro, forget about the two headbands. This is your family now. We are all of us orphans. You're not the only one who has suffered. Sasuke is our brother.
The number one will show no compassion.
And you would take after the man who killed your father? Afro, forget about the two headbands. This is your family now. When will you let go?
When I have avenged my father.
And what will be left for you then? What will be left of us?
What is this place? How do the power of the headbands work? What is their secret? Tell me. Tell me. Does all this suffering have meaning? You've been chasing a lie. A lie of your own making. A lie that has led too many to their deaths for nothing. This is all because of you and your selfishness. Is this what you're waiting for? Time to make amends. For Otsuru.
You know where you are, don't you? Of course you do. All this time spent looking for me, you've been looking in the wrong direction. Looking out instead of in. You want to cut me down? Here I am. Come on. First strike's free. You can't, can you? You can't cut me out. Been in here so long, it's hard to tell where you end and I begin. My desire was to become a god. In the pursuit of revenge, you made me yours. Searching for me, obsessing over me, killing for me. You really think you're the good guy? I killed but a single man in an honorable duel and for a noble purpose. And you have killed so many. Weak men, hungry men, family men. Each life you took was a tribute to me. Your actions gave me substance. Let me live. You have been doing my good work. Is this what you wanted? To face your God? Then kneel. Kneel before your God. You think I made you what you are? Oh no. It was you. You chose this path. You chose to worship me. I just lit the way. Thinking about the look on your daddy's face always makes me smile. He tried to warn you. You saw what he said. His dry lips quivering in the dust. You just chose to ignore it. You listened to me instead. So don't pretend you're doing all this for your pops. You think if he hadn't died, you'd be any different? You'd still be what you are right now. A stone-cold killer. You're just a killer with an excuse. Looking for options? You got none left, boy. You're the son of two fathers. Your blood father and me. Too bad you got your looks from him. He gave you life. I gave you direction. But this isn't about you. Come on. Your name may be on the box, but inside, you're a novelty. A whim. In 10 years, in 5, who will remember Afro Samurai? But your story, our story, that's a different matter. Vengeance is a story without end. The game's the thing, so let it begin all over again. Progress comes from struggle, from conflict. Bones begat flint, flint begat spears, spears begat bows, bows begat guns, guns begat bombs, and on and on. And on. Your daddy, your sword master. Both tried to hide the headbands, hoping humanity would forget, hoping for desire to wane. And what then for humanity? Without desire, humanity is left helpless, weak, waiting open-mouthed to be fed like baby birds. That's what we offer. Purpose, a reason to be, desire. Revenge was a diversion, a sleight of hand to conceal your desire for power. This is what you're really here for, isn't it? Take it. You've earned it. Take it. Take the headband. Become number one. Become God.
I remember now. I remember everything. Afro, what did I do? I found a little boy, lost in the forest. I didn't know what would happen. You should have died then, but I helped you. I lied, and I killed to protect you. Time to make amends.
There you are. Before you became Bear Man, you were known simply as Gino. Gino. A simple name, young brother. Of the people. Not like the name you took.
You're going to get us lost.
Because you were simple.
Wait!
Do you remember what happens next?
It's this way, Gino. Come this way.
You better catch up to her.
Look what we got here.
Oh shit, that's the number 2.
You know what we want. Give it up and we'll let you live. Time to die.
Check it out.
Hey, what's going on here?
That's wrong.
This is your past, but it is also your future. Remember why you lust for blood, revenge. Don't just remember her, avenge her. Revenge. Do you see? Afro is not your friend. And what has happened to your sister Otsuru, the only person who really believed in you? Where is she? Where? Dying. Who caused her death? Afro.
End of the road, bitch. Time to die.
Otsuru!
Motherfucker!
The forest reveals a child with a demon inside. The end of my world.
It's unfortunate you had to see this, child. Make your daddy proud. Challenge me when you're ready to duel a god.